Getting cinematic lighting without spending hours grading is now possible in just one click. Filmora's AI Relight transforms flat footage into beautifully balanced light instantly with no experience required. Here is how to use Relight in Filmora 15 to improve lighting, soften shadows, and make your videos look more professional in just a few clicks. Start by creating a new project. Click on Import to bring your video into the media bin, and then place it on the timeline. Next, select your clip and open the Video Settings panel. Scroll down, turn on Relight, and then select the Relight presets. You can choose between Facial, Ambient, and Presets. Under Facial, you will get Atmosphere Exposure, Translucent Water Light, Morning Sunshine, and Soft Facial Light. Under Ambient, you will get different types of backlighting. And under Presets, you can create your own relights. To use AI Relight, select a preset from Ambient, and it will add a relight to the preview screen. You can then select the light and change its direction directly on the preview screen. Different presets have different numbers of lights. Under the preset, you will get light options for Light 1 and Light 2. Under Light Type, you can choose between Directional and Point. Under the Object option, you can choose between People, Background, or both. If you choose Background, the relight only affects the background. With Light Intensity, you can adjust the brightness. With Light Highlights, you can adjust the highlights. With Distance, you can define how far the light reaches. And Light Radius helps define the area of the light. With Intensity, you can make the background darker or lighter. Select Light 2 and change the object to background, and you will see the light affect only the background. Adjust the parameters and change the light color to whatever suits the background best. Use the X and Y sliders to adjust the light position. To add more light, click the plus button and change the light type to point. Select People under Object, change the color, adjust the parameters, and move the light around to see the difference. To make it more dynamic, change the light color to something like pink to add some light on the face, and keep adjusting the parameters and position until it looks right. Add another light, change the object to People, change the light color, and fine-tune the parameters and position. Once done, save it as a preset so you can reuse the same lighting setup on any other footage. On a new clip, enable AI Relight, select the saved preset, and the AI Relight will instantly change the mood and lighting of your footage. Here is the comparison of before and after using AI Relight in Filmora. The difference in mood and lighting quality is clear.